Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today, it's gonna be a tutorial video on how to create a Google account in 2022. Or probably you can also use it in 2023. Well, if you happen to see this video, I created this in 2020, but I received some comments telling me that it's not working anymore in 2022. So that's the reason why I'm creating this new video. Anyway, let's dive in shortly to our tutorial. But before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be updated on our next videos. Alright, thanks everyone! Okay, so let's get started. How do you create your Google account in 2022? Remember, a Google account is important so you can create your Gmail and your YouTube accounts. Okay, so if you are planning to become a YouTuber or a vlogger or a content creator, of course, you need to create your YouTube channel. So this step is very significant. Once you have created your Google account, automatically your Gmail and your YouTube accounts are created as well. So that means only one password is needed to access them. Alright? There are two ways to create your Google account. One is through the Gmail website, and the other one is through the YouTube website. Either of these two will lead you to the creation page. So in this presentation, I'm gonna use Gmail. So first, type in www.gmail.com and press enter. Oh, it's in Tagalog. So let's translate it first into English. And yes, all right. So now let's click sign in and create account. So I have three options here. I can create a Google account for my personal use, for my child, and of course for work or my business. I remember in my previous tutorial, there were only two options. So, an option to create an account for my child or for your child is now available. Well, anyway, whatever choice you'll make, it will still lead you to the creation of your Google account. For now, let's use the last option. Oh, it's back to Tagalog. Ibalik muna natin sa English, guys. Okay. So here, we are required to fill in some information like your first name, last name, your username, and of course, your password. Let me just quickly fill in everything. For the password, you can choose something that's difficult or complicated, but make sure to remember it. And so now, let's confirm it on the other side. I'll just tick this box here to show my password. Alright, we're done. Now click Next. Phone number is optional. Recovery email address is also optional, so you can choose not to fill in this part. But of course, I recommend that you provide these information because in case you'll forget something like your email or your password, then Google can easily help you by sending information to recover your account. Alright? So now I'll key in my birthday, and my gender. Click Next. So here we have the privacy and terms. To create a Google account, you'll need to agree to the terms of service below. So just quickly go through this part, and once done, click I agree. Your Google account is ready. jean.tabok2022@gmail.com. So click Continue. And so that's it. We're done. So now let's open our Gmail. So my first email is from Google. Yay! And so let's try to open our YouTube as well. Okay, so if you want to become a vlogger, you can easily create your own channel here. Alright. And that's it. We now have our Gmail and YouTube account in one process. I hope this process will help you, and let me know in the comment section if you have more questions, okay? Again, thank you guys for subscribing to our channel, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!